The Anyhill electric scooter is a powerful and versatile transportation solution that offers a range of features designed to make your ride comfortable, convenient, and safe. One of the most notable features of this scooter is its detachable battery, which uses LG lithium-ion cells with fast charge technology to extend the range up to 50 miles. With its 5 pounds replacement battery, you can easily swap out the battery and double your range. The scooter is equipped with a 450W motor that provides strong power and a balanced throttle response, offering a smooth ride. It can carry a maximum load of 300 pounds, making it suitable for most people, even heavy riders. The wide deck ensures a comfortable ride, and the dual brake system, which combines electronic and mechanical brakes, provides reliable stopping power. The regenerative braking system collects energy from braking, which is then used to recharge the battery and give you a boost. The quick foldable design of the scooter allows you to easily fold it in just 3 seconds, making it easy to take with you on public transportation, fit in the back of your car, and store in any place you desire. With 3 speed modes, including Eco, Normal, and Speed, you can choose the speed that suits your needs, and the automatic speed maintenance feature ensures stable and safe riding. The scooter's outstanding power allows you to beat the slopes with ease. Additionally, the scooter comes with a central kickstand that allows you to stably park it on practically any surface, and an app that lets you monitor your speed and battery life, lock and unlock your scooter, and control it from anywhere with your smartphone. All these features make the Anyhill electric scooter a top choice for anyone looking for a reliable and convenient transportation solution.